Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the environment, enable developer options, allow USB debugging, and install Shizuku. Once done, connect your VR headset via USB or Wi-Fi ADB and confirm the device ID. You must start Shizuku in ADB mode so the service runs with elevated privileges. Make sure to grant the app runtime permissions when prompted, otherwise notifications will be blocked. This immediate setup gets the service active, and you'll move straight into binding notification access and configuring VR-specific options. Now you bind notification access and adjust secure settings. You open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Special Access and enable notification access for the VR Companion app. Once that's checked, run Shizuku shell commands to grant right secure settings and any required notification permissions. This ensures the OS will forward alerts. Afterward, set the notification listener to the VR app so messages route into the headset. If the app refuses access, revoke and regrant, while Shizuku is active to reset the listener. Finish by restarting the Shizuku service and the VR app to apply changes. You'll often need a quick reboot for persistent behavior. Then send a test notification and watch a DB logcat to confirm the VR app receives and displays the event. If notifications still do not appear, rerun the grant commands, verify package names match exactly, and ensure no battery optimizations are blocking background access. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior persists, temporarily disable other notification listeners and repeat the grant steps with a fresh Shizuku session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.